I'm feeling much better.
Come here, go. Hey, come here. Come here. Huh? Hi. Hi, say. Hey guys, I want to give you a quick look at some of the things that came in this week. Shout out to my man Karan Maheshwari for helping me score these Kaws Uniqlo t-shirts. It's from the last collection that Kaws is doing with Uniqlo. Got these 3 prints. Now I must say that I picked up the Kaws Uniqlo Sesame Street t-shirts from Thailand, and these ones specifically are from America. So I got an XL back then because the XL itself ran a little snug, but these XLs are quite huge, so I don't know if it's geography specific fit or if it's this entire collection itself that's oversized. So if you got any of these Kaws Uniqlo t-shirts, let me know in the comment if you compared it with your earlier collection. Another surprise package from the guys at Huemn. They were showcasing at Pitti this weekend, and they sent me a pair of their socks. They are a pretty amazing designer duo based in India, Delhi. Gotta check them out. And last but not the least, my friend Tojo dropped in this bag. It's from Hype DC. Hype DC, I think, is based in Perth, Australia. A sneaker store that does a few exclusive drops along with all the general releases. And it's his personal pair that he wanted me to take a quick look at. There you have it. The Ultraboost with a 1.0 knit pattern, and this one is the CBC pair. CBC being for Celebrate Black Culture. You can see the branding there on the insole, celebrating black culture. Is that a basketball? It looks like it. I think it came in 3 pairs, a pack of 3 pairs. There was an Ultraboost and there was a Huemn, and I don't know what the third pair was. But I'll tell you what I really like is that they not just went back to the 1.0 pattern with the knitting on the toe box, as you can see here, but they also did the neoprene heel right there, true to the 1.0. You have a neoprene tongue, and then you have the suede leather patch with the CBC branding on it, flat black laces with the purple lace tips, your regular TPU cage, and I think the interesting bit is the heel cup. They've done it up in all suede, and it's got this pink head. A lot of people think it's red, but I think it's more of like a peachy pink or a peachy red than proper red. So that is in all real leather, blacked out Boost midsole, your regular Continental outsole. So like any other really good Ultraboost. Now what's sad is that a lot of people say that Ultraboosts are dead. It still is a really good sneaker. The other pair, the right pair, has the Adidas branding on the tongue as against the CBC on the left pair, but then everything else carries forward as on the other pair. A lot of people say that Ultraboosts are dead, but I think they still keep innovating in terms of their colorways and designs. I know there was a controversy with the CBC pair because they had an all-white cageless Ultraboost actually before this pair that was announced as the CBC pair, but then there was a lot of backlash, a lot of widespread hate on that all white pair celebrating black culture. So I guess after that they brought in this pair, which is exactly how the hardened pair is color blocked as well. So that's it. Initial thoughts on the CBC Ultra Boost. I am not going to slip these on feet because it doesn't feel nice, although Tojo said that I could wear them on feet to do the on feet bit, but it's his pair, it's DS still, and I'd like him to be the first one to wear it. So those were my thoughts on the Ultra Boost CBC. Let me know what you think of Ultra Boost. Do you still fuck with them, or are you done with it and you're looking for the next big thing to happen? I really do fuck with them still. I got the OGs as well and the undefeated Ultra Boosts, and also the Parlay, and I wear them as regularly as I can. Drop your comments down below there. If you're new to the channel, of course, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one, and until the next time, you guys, peace.